All right, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 6th of May. And on the 6th of May, we're going to do a quick analysis on gold. This is what we did previously. Yesterday, we were looking for buys above this point. We were looking for buys above this point, and we got this candle. We got this candle over here. This one that closed. I want to remove this so that you can see. We got this candle over here and broke above this point, and we entered the buys, pushed all the way to this point. All right. So congratulations to everyone that took the trade. On the terms of the sales didn't really happen. So we're gonna look at what we have today in terms of fundamentals. What do we got today? Today is on the Tuesday, the 6th of May. We have a bank holiday in the Japanese yen. We don't have anything high impact today happening. Yesterday we had the ISM. Today we don't have nothing high impact. Everything we only have this medium impact, which is Canadian. And the U dollar, we don't have anything high impact. Tomorrow, though, we will be having a lot, which is the starting with the NZD at 1:45 a.m. We're gonna be having unemployment rates. Then we're gonna be having the FOMC statements at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Thursday, we're gonna be having the monetary policies on the GBP and employment claims on the dollar. Friday, we're gonna be having the unemployment change and unemployment rate on the Canadian dollar, and the BOE governor Andrew Bailey will be giving a speech on Friday, GBP. Yeah, then we'll have CPI next week. This is what I'm interested on. CPI will be next week on Tuesday, and I'm gonna be doing it live again, right? So let's see what we got today. So we're gonna do a fresh new analysis, price action based on market structure, just to see how the market's probabilities on how the market is gonna be behaving today, and we see where we can seize some opportunities. Now the good thing is the monthly candle closed, and this is how the monthly candle closed. This is the current monthly candle that we're here. So the most thing that you're gonna do is first of all to cover this to fill this wick. So what we're doing right now, we're doing something that is called wick filling. So the market is filling the wick right now as we speak. So we want to see. I'm gonna use the monthly low and monthly high of the previous candle just to get ourselves on the right thing. All right, so we're on weekly. On weekly, we're gonna take these as the weekly lows over here. Okay, that's the weekly low. We go down to daily. The same, that becomes the low. Then we have this as an area of resistance over here, and that's where currently the market is right now. So we need to be very careful at the point. All right. 4 hours. On 4 hours, it shows very well that this candle, the 4 hour candle, broke above this whole consolidation over here. But then the next candle, which is actually the active candle right now, is pushing a bit down. So we want it to get rejected from that point so that it can continue going up, which is a good thing. But should we think of picking something like a buy? We're gonna be picking it from above. All right. Sorry, I'm doing one thing and I'm speaking the other thing. So should we be taking something like a buy? It's because I think I'm gonna be picking it from above that point. Let's go down. 1 hour. Yes, you see the way the 1 hour is portraying itself. Yes, if I'm gonna take any buys, it's gonna be above this point because now this candle, this line, what we're gonna do over here is gonna move it. It's already used already, so or it's already been violated, if you want to use that word. I'm gonna put something. Anyway, actually, I'm not gonna put nothing. Let's work with it like this, as is. Like that. Still, that's where the current candle is, trying to break down. Again, should we break that down, we're gonna need to go below that wick, that candle over there. But let's see 30 minutes, same thing happening. All right, so this is good now. So having that in mind, now we know we're gonna need some push some very nice pushes to push all the way down to this point. Should we have a potential selling area over here. Potential sells below 33.57. Yep, 33.57. And then you're gonna have potential buys above the 390 over here. Long. So I'm gonna be picking a long order from that point. And I wanna push it all the way. Let me see. We're gonna be having to profit one there and two over there. Something like that. Yes, that's gonna be something like that. Yes, so that is it. We're not looking for buys above the 390, and we're gonna be looking for sales below. Yep, like that. So for visibility purposes, yes. So if I get something closing above this point, I'm gonna take a buy and continue buying. If I get a sell below this point, I'm gonna do a quick sell to this point. And should we break this below that point, do the down up to that point. All right. So that's what we're gonna be watching today. That's what I'm gonna be concentrating on. Trade well, risk manage well your account as well. Money manage your money as well. Very, very well. Remember to trade what you see, not what you think. And let's meet tomorrow. Happy hunting, everybody. All right. Bye bye and take care.